Intro 0 to 020. Hello friends. In today's video, we'll take you inside a modern dairy farm, where everything from feeding the animals to milk storage is done with great care and hygiene. Let's begin. 1. Animals eating 0:20 to 1 o'clock. Here you can see the animals eating fresh and healthy fodder in a clean and peaceful environment. They are given a proper and balanced diet every day to keep them healthy and increase milk production. The area is well managed and regularly cleaned. 2. Hygiene at the entrance 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. This man you see is responsible for managing the feeding area. And checking everything daily. Lime powder is applied at the gate to stop germs or diseases from entering the farm. This is a simple but very effective safety step. 3. Milk storage and lab 2 o'clock to 3:30. Now we're entering the milk storage and lab area. Here, fresh milk is stored in clean and controlled conditions. This milk is later supplied to famous companies like Nestlé. Cleanliness and quality are always top priority. 4. Animal health and medicines 3:30 to 4:30. These are the medicines used for animal health. Regular veterinary checkups are done, and animals are given the right treatment and vaccines when needed. That's why the animals here are healthy and active. 5. Silage. Preserved fodder, 4:30 to 5:30. This is the silage storage area. Silage is preserved fodder used when fresh green food is not available. It helps provide nutrition to the animals throughout the year. 6. Outro 5:30 to 7 o'clock. So friends, this was our visit to a modern dairy farm. We saw how animals are taken care of, how milk is stored, and how hygiene is maintained at every step. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe to our channel, and leave your feedback in the comments. We'll keep bringing you more interesting and educational videos.